Well, hello there. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a few new makeup products and we're going to have a really nice time creating this beautiful glowy look. So let's jump right in. I think this time I want to start off with skincare. So the first product that I'm using is the Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily Aha Tonic. And this has slowly become my favorite toner. I absolutely love how gentle it is. I love how it works with my sensitive skin. It does help to clean my pores. And I've just been using it lately and it's really, really good. Next up is the Cordell Vinyl Perfect Serum. And this is a Radiance serum. It's a complexion correcting serum. So I'm using it in areas that I have dark spots or underneath my eyes where I've got dark circles. And yeah, it's been working really good. I really love the texture of the serum. I love how it feels on the skin. It's quick drying, which means I can carry on with my skincare quite quickly and it doesn't leave my skin feeling slippery. So far so good. I am seeing some improvements in my skin, so I'm loving it at the moment. Then next I'm going to go in with the Herbivore Cloud Jelly. This is a plumping hydrating serum and as you can tell I love it. I have been using this. I'm already halfway through this bottle and I love it because it hydrates, it plumps my skin. It does give me that youthful glow. Sometimes when my skin looks or feels dull and I use this, it kind of just gives me a really good glow. I've been loving not wearing makeup and I've just been using these skincare products and it still helps my skin look very much awake and really, really good. As you guys can see, my skin looks really fresh at the moment. And then my oil today is the Biossance Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is a facial oil which helps to brighten and firm the skin. And again, I've been using this as well, morning and night. I love it. It feels really good on my skin. I only use a few drops and it does help to give me that glow as well. So yeah, so that's it for my skincare. Now I'm going to move on to my hair. So hubby got me this hair for our anniversary. Actually, in real time, today is our anniversary that I'm recording this voiceover. So he got me this hair from EDBU. And this unit is called Anna. And she's a center part unit. Beautiful curly hair. Very, very luscious. I did put up a poll on my Instagram asking you guys to choose what hair to pick. And majority of you picked this one and also another one called Bay, which is quite full, but I don't typically go for hair that is cut in this form, so I thought I'd give this a go. I love the bounce, I love the color. I do have a discount code with EDBU, which is Medea J, and it will get you guys 10% off. It is an affiliate link. I am an affiliate code. I don't make any money off it, but I know a lot of you really like the hair that I wear, so they were kind enough to give me a discount code that I could share with you. So definitely check out her units. They're really, really good. I've got my eye on a few more of them and they look really, really nice. So I was really pleasantly surprised by the curl pattern and by how easy it was to to gel in the lace. So now we're just going to go on with the eyes. And I'm using the new 35O Supernatural Glow eyeshadow palette from Morphe. They recently came out with this, including another one, which is more of a purple packaging. I forgot the name of it. But I quite like this one. I think it's got a good mixture of cool tones and a little bit of warm tones. But you guys know that I'm a cool tone lover. So I love the color story of this palette. So this is the look that I created, and I've already gone ahead and applied my base. So some of the shadows that I'm going to use for this look are Mighty Fine, Mystery, Rare One, Paradox, So Divine, and Jinx. So I'm just showing you which colors they are from the eyeshadow palette. And honestly, you guys, the blendability of this palette is just absolutely gorgeous. You're going to see in a second. but the shimmer as well, they're very, very nice. I get along with Morphe palettes anyway, so I wasn't expecting it to be terrible or anything. I think the performance is really good and it's good value for money. So I'm going in with that shade and I'm blending it into my crease because I kind of want to give myself a warmer crease in as much as I'm using more of the cool tone browns. And then I'm blending the cool tone brown in my outer and inner corner to give me that kind of like halo effect. And I'm just taking my time to pack it on. I'm going a little bit at a time, so it's not that the eyeshadow palette isn't pigmented, it's just that I'm being careful. I want to build it up. I just don't want to plunk a bunch of color in one place. So as I apply, I blend it, and then I apply, and then I blend it as well. And then I'm going in with a more of a fluffy brush and I'm applying, this one is like a warmer tone brown and I'm just using it to blend out the crease. To be honest, the names are in the eyeshadow palette. I've shown you guys the colors, but just off the top of my head, I don't know which color is which. But I've just used a cool tone brown. Even if you don't have this palette, you can probably dupe this palette. I'm pretty sure if you check your collection, you can find some browns that would match. Just to give it a pop in the center, I'm using my base, and this is the P. Louise base in Room 5. And now I'm going to apply the shimmer shade on top. And this is a cool tone shimmer shade. It's really nice. I did apply it with a brush, but later on I went in with my finger as well, just to give me that extra effect. And then I applied the second shimmer shade in the edges of it, just to blend it in with the browns. For my face, I went with the Revolution Super Dewy Primer. I've been loving this primer, you guys. I know I've got oily skin, but honestly, this just gives me some sort of radiance that I never expected. And then for my highlighter, I'm using the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil Liquid Highlighter in Radiance. This guy, just look at it. Look at the shine. I knew immediately that it's going to look bomb mixed in with my foundation. So I'm going to do that today. So my foundation is the Uoma Beauty Say What? Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation in Bronze Venus T3C. And I mixed in the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. Hence why it looks a little bit light. My foundation isn't this light, but I think the highlighter kind of just lightened it a little bit. So it all worked out in the end, but I'm just to give you guys an idea that Bronze Venus T3C is slightly darker than what it looks like right now on camera. But either way, do you guys see the glow? Do you see how my skin is glowing? I look flawless. And then I'm just popping in my eyeliner, and this is from the Beauty Crop. I quite like it. It's nice and soft. Just a cool eye pencil. And then I'm going in with the same shades I used on my lid. And I'm just blending my lower lash line. I kind of want to just give myself a nice little smoky effect. So I'm just blending in the colors as I use them on the crease. Sorry, on the lid. Do you guys hear my voice? I know it's scratchy and I do apologize, but I can't shift this throat thing. Just, I don't know. So for my brows, I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Fiber Filler in medium brown. I recently hauled this from Revlon, and honestly, you guys, this is all I've been using for my brows. I don't use a pencil. I don't use gel. I don't use anything but this. And it's such an easy product to use. And there's no build-up. It just blends flawlessly. And then I'm going in with this Nabla, it's like a face powder. And this is the Nabla Skin Glazing Glow Powder in Lola. And I'm using it to highlight and also to blush up my cheeks. Because I didn't really want to go in with a highlighter. So I wanted this to be my highlighter and also be the blush. So as you can see, I was trying to be careful. But then I just went in and applied it beautifully. And I like the finish. It gives you that natural flush of color. and that natural glow. So if you're the type of person that doesn't like to wear heavy blush or heavy highlighter, try this guy out. I think you'll like it because you can really control how much you use. And then on my lips, because I didn't show that clip, I'm wearing the MUA Cosmetics lip pencil in Obsession and the Colored Rain lip lacquer in Anne. And for setting spray, I use the iconic Prep Set Glow Original. I love this, guys. It smells really, really, really good. And it did refresh my makeup. It felt really nice on my face. And I've never used anything from Iconic London, so this was one of the few products that I've ever, been excited to try. And I had to test it on my arm to make sure that the shimmer isn't overpowering because, you know what, I was loving my makeup. And it was all right. So once I sprayed it on my face, it just gave me that glow and it felt super refreshing and it smells really, really good. My lashes are from Makeup by Tammi in Girlies, and this is it. So I'm just showing you guys the back of the hair from EDBU. I didn't even brush it out at this point. I literally just put it on my hair because I was loving the curl pattern. But I have since then brushed it out. It feels really soft, feels really good. And the curl pattern is still there. It's more wavy. And I absolutely love it. This is more like the messy bun. I woke up from bed looking flawless type of look. So yeah. So yeah, I did enjoy all the products that I used today. I think there isn't a product that I'd say I didn't like or didn't give me the effect that I was going for. I love how natural, how dewy, how flawless this look came out. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you are on the hunt for a few new makeup products, definitely check out the ones that I'm using. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I do have another tutorial using green eyeshadow coming out soon, so look out for that. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today. Black lives will always matter. And I'll catch you guys in a future video. Bye.